ready to transform simple lines into a logo that screams movement and innovation. First, grab your line tool. We're going to start by drawing a series of parallel lines. Make sure they are evenly spaced for a clean stripe effect. Think about the overall width of your logo at this stage and ensure your lines fit within that visual space. Now, the fun begins. Experiment with different line thicknesses and colors. Consider your brand's identity. Why do you want bold, vibrant stripes, or something more subtle and sophisticated? This step is all about playing with visual hierarchy. Next, duplicate your lines and slightly offset them. This creates the illusion of depth and movement. Think of it like blurring the lines of reality, suggesting motion. Time to define your logo's shape. Use a clipping mask or shape tool to contain your lines within a specific form, like a rectangle, circle, or even a custom shape that reflects your brand. This grounds the design and gives it structure. To enhance the sense of movement, apply a subtle gradient to the lines. A gradient that shifts from light to dark can really amplify the feeling of depth and forward momentum. This will add additional flavor to the design. Add a subtle shadow or glow to make your logo pop. This will give the logo a modern, futuristic feel, catching the eye and making a lasting impression. Finally, see how your dynamic striped logo looks in real-world applications. Place it on mock-ups of business cards, website headers, and social media profiles, and there you have it, a visually striking logo that captures attention and conveys a sense of forward motion. Don't forget to experiment and make it your own.